In this video, the car is in perfect working order. Mrs. Car Spy TV is feeling good, but unfortunately, the dog is broken.
Right then, so yes, Diesel, a little bit broken at the moment. So,
yes.
He's torn his cruciate ligament.
You remembered cruciate?
I remembered it. So basically what he's done, he's hurt his back leg, possibly because that's what he's got with his breeds, Collie, Springer, Labrador, and of course
He's a hybrid.
Yeah, those kind of breeds do tend to have this problem. Anyway, he's been on his bed rest for 6 weeks and he's had anti-inflammatories and painkillers.
And would I be right in saying that medicine is very, very cheap?
Yeah, I've already sold one kidney.
Yeah, that's fine. You've got one left.
Yeah, I've got one left. It's
yes.
fine, yeah. And so we're allowed to bring him out now for 10-minute walks a day now, which is great. So he's been a little bit stir crazy, so
yes.
He can't do any running. It's literally on the lead, and he's not a lead dog. He does like to run around. So we brought him to his favourite place, the New Forest.
Yeah, all looking very splendid today. A little bit windy, but overall very pleasant. And what we thought we'd do in this video is show you how we found the best way to get him in the car despite his injury, because traditionally he just leap in at 90 miles an hour straight into the boot or straight onto the back seat, but he can't do that leaping anymore because that could aggravate look, I'll try.
Yeah, do that one again. Aggravate.
That's the one. Aggravate the very injury we spent weeks trying to heal. So we tried various things and I think we come up with a decent solution.
Yeah, should we show them?
Yeah, okay, we'll show.
Come on then, we'll show them.
Right, so our initial plan was to simply pick him up. Diesel, come here. Pick him up like so and pop him into the boot, but there are a couple of problems with that. Primarily, he absolutely hates being picked up.
He does, he hates it.
Yes, and he will wriggle and try everything he can to avoid it, which I can understand. I wouldn't particularly want to be picked up either, but nonetheless, we can do it and get him into the boot that way.
Yeah.
But then the problem is getting him back out, because where there's plenty of room here to pick him up, like so, when he's in the boot and I'm trying to grab him, he then back himself up into the corner, so I can't. So not really practical, and he's also quite heavy, isn't he?
He's heavy, yeah, he's about 25 kilos, which is all right for me, but for you I'm a little bit worried.
Are
so
you?
yeah.
So you're the one that struggles to pick him up, are you?
Oh yeah. I mean, he's just like a feather for me.
Okay. So anyway, once we decided it wasn't practical to continually pick him up, we decided to look into those ramps you can buy. You can buy ramps that hook onto the back of the car here and come down to around here. The idea being you just neatly walk up. But we know what he's like.
Yeah, neatly walk up? No.
He's not going to do it. He can do everything he can to avoid the ramp. So he'd jump off the side, he'd get halfway down and then jump off.
I doubt he'd even go up it. He'd still try to jump into the boot.
Yeah, so those options aren't viable for us, but we did nonetheless think of something else.
Right then, so if any of you have a dog, and you'll know that there are different things you can use to secure your dog in the car, we have this one which is quite good. It goes around his chest and it comes up under his armpits at the front here.
Let's have a look, shall we? Oh yeah, there we go. No, he doesn't like this harness, does he?
No, he doesn't like it because it restricts him, which is what we want in the car.
Yeah.
Now normally we just use his normal seatbelt harness, but with that he can move around lots in the car and he can wriggle, and you know there's opportunities for him to fall off the chair, as he does do sometimes. So with this one, it's a lot more restrictive for him. Okay, so what we do, pop that on, and then we're going to move the chairs forward.
So what we want him to not do, which he used to do, was just jump straight up onto the back seat there, which is potentially aggravating now. So the option we go for is to get him to step into the footwell down there and then up onto that. So you move the front seat forward to give us space.
Yeah, we'll do that.
Like so. There we are. How much space have you got now?
Nice bit of space for him.
Plenty of room around there. So now if I go around the other side of the car, Like I said, we've got donkeys here in the New Forest today, wandering around quite happily. Open it up. And then, Mrs. Car Spy TV. Hello, dog.
Hello.
Hello.
Right, come on. That's steady.
So, into the floor well.
And then up. Oh.
Oh, he just wants to sit there now, does he?
I never work with dogs and children.
That is what they say.
You gonna come up on the chair? You coming up? That's steady. And then we can just clip him in. Lie down. Lie down. Good.
Yeah, we just clip him into the ordinary seatbelt, and as Mrs. Car Spy TV was saying, this is a shorter harness than he would have had before the injury, so this does restrict his movement a bit more, but at least he is safe and he can't wriggle around too much. There'll be a load of horses coming in here. Well, one horse and one cart.
Oh, a lovely thing to see on a nice day.
There we go.
Here we are. Would you like a treat? Would you like one? Good boy. There we go. And then, when we want to take him back out again, we just do the reverse on that. Come down here. Steady. Steady.
There we go.
There we go. Nice and easy. Oh! Oh!
What?
Oh!
Oh, hang on.
Oh!
Hang on a minute. Maybe we should keep this donkey away from the dog.
I think that could be a good idea. Hello. Hello. Hey, Mum, that's a big horse. Where's the dog?
Oh, who knows?
Nobody knows. It's a donkey day.
I'm just glad it's a friendly donkey.
Yeah.
Hello.
I'll move the dog.
Yeah, you move the dog away a bit, okay. Good idea. Hello, donkey. You're not going in my car. Did you just say you wanted an ice cream?
Yes, there's an ice cream van
Just over there. Yes, about
So-
a 30-second walk over there.
Yeah.
Anyway, the reason we've shown you this is in case you're having a similar issue with your dog, if it's struggling with mobility for whatever reason and you can't or don't want to lift the dog into the boot. Just an idea. It might be helpful to you.
Yeah, it might be. You know, every idea is a good idea, so...
Well, I don't know. I've had some pretty terrible ideas.
Oh, yeah, you have actually, haven't you?
But-
We won't go into that.
No.
No.
But one of the ideas which we could use if things got really bad and he couldn't even step into the car and we had to take him to the vet is to get a blanket and use that effectively as a stretcher and just lift him into the boot that way. But I think if he got to that point...
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm not going there.
No.
No.
No. But
I am going for an ice cream.
okay, it appears we're going for an ice cream. So thank you for watching as always. Don't forget to subscribe to Car Spy TV if you haven't already.
Yeah, click like and give us loads of comments if you've got any other ideas on how to get dog in and out of the car.
Catapult.
Ooh,
We didn't think of that, did we?
no,
Catapult.
that could be quite funny actually.
Or a cannon like you get at the circus and just
Yeah.
fire him into the boot.
Yeah, I'm not sure he's going to like that though, but he might actually like a doggy ice cream if they have any.
The dog did not bring his wallet.
The dog never brings his wallet. Funny that. I don't think I've got mine either. Ice cream's on you then. love.
Okay, ice cream's on me. Right. All right. Well, that's all for now. We'll see you next time.
We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.